Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel K.S.R English. Now we are going to discuss reported speech in continuation of previous video. And before moving on, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Now he said, I am a teacher. Now we divide two parts. He said, I am a teacher. Okay. This part is called reporting part. Reporting part. This part is called reported part. Reported part. Okay. Here in the reporting part, we divide he is a reporter. He is a reporter. Said, it is reporting verb. See, in the reporting part, you can divide he is a reporter, said is reporting verb. The remaining part, which is in the inverted commas, this part is called reported part. Understand? Rules for changing from direct speech to indirect speech. Rules for changing direct speech to indirect speech. The first rule is removal of quotations from direct speech. Removal of quotations from direct speech. That is inverted commas. Okay, we have to remove inverted commas in the reported part. Okay, already I told you which is reporting part and which is reported part. So in the reported part, we have to remove inverted commas. And second point, need to remove comma. Need to remove comma and use conjunction. That conjunction in DS. Okay, need to remove comma and use that conjunction in direct speech. Okay, we have to remove in the reporting part comma. Okay, we have to remove the comma in the reporting part and we have to put that conjunction in the place of comma. Understand? And third point, when the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verbs must be changed as follows. When the reporting verb, okay, already I told you, reporter, reporting verb. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, okay, in the past tense, the tense of the verbs must be changed as follows. See, now when the reporting verb is in the past tense, we have to change the tense of the verb as per reporting verb. See, when the reporting verb is in the past tense, we have to change the tense. To get that. From direct speech, if it is simple present tense, is, am or are. Okay, we have to change in simple past tense. Was, were. Understand? For example, I am a teacher. He said, I am a teacher. He said. You remove, as per first rule, remove, okay, inverted commas. And second rule, remove comma and put the conjunction. He said that. Okay, and I became he. So, am a teacher. That is simple present tense. Okay, you have to use simple past tense. You have to change simple past tense. Was. He was a teacher. Okay, so when the reporting verb, he said. Said is a past tense, right? So said. So that is past tense. So when reporting verb is in the past tense, we have to change the tenses. Okay, so in the direct speech, if it is simple present tense, we have to change into simple past tense. And if it is present continuous tense, is, am, plus R plus V4, V4 plus V1 plus informed, right? So present continuous tense you have to change into past continuous tense. Was or were plus V4, that is V1 plus informed. And if it is present perfect tense in direct speech, has or have plus V3, you have to change into past perfect tense, had plus V3. Okay. Already we have discussed in the tenses part, which is present tense and present continuous tense, present perfect, and all 12 tenses already I referred. Okay. Please look into this. And now present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now it is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Has been or have been plus V4. Here had been plus V4. If it is simple past tense, it changes to past perfect tense. As here, past perfect tense, what is that? Had plus V3. Okay, it is simple past tense. You have to change into past perfect tense. Now past continuous tense will become past perfect continuous tense. Here past continuous was or were plus V4. Past perfect continuous tense had been plus V4. Plus V4. Okay. And here modal auxiliaries. Shall would become should. Will would become would. Can would become could. May become might. Must had to. Okay. These are the changes in the tense. When the reporting verb is in the past tense. I am emphasizing. Okay. When the reporting verb is in the past tense. Okay. Already I told you what is the reporter, what is the reporting verb, and what is the reported part. Okay. Just refer that. Then only you can understand very well. Okay. Thank you.